big shock for Galaxy fans, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra is making waves. But not in the way most people expected. Early leaks painted a disappointing picture with no charging boost, no zoom camera upgrade, and very little to get excited about in terms of photography. Fans started to wonder if the Ultra had lost its edge. But just when things were looking underwhelming, fresh leak lit up the rumor mill with something far more exciting, a display upgrade that could completely change the game. And if history has taught us anything, it's that Samsung knows how to build a jaw-dropping screen. So the real question is, could the Galaxy S26 Ultra's display be the feature that finally silences the critics? According to trusted insider Ice Universe, Samsung is preparing a next-level display for the S26 Ultra. The exact details are still under wraps, but the hints are fascinating. Reports suggest Samsung may use a new color filter on encapsulation OLED panel, which sounds super technical. But here's the simple version. By ditching the traditional polarizer layer and swapping in a black pixel definition layer, the panel becomes thinner, brighter, and more efficient. In other words, you get a futuristic screen that uses less power and shines brighter, making everything from TikTok scrolls to Netflix binges look more immersive. And Samsung isn't stopping. Their rumors also point to slimmer bezels, improved outdoor visibility with better anti-reflective coatings, and even the debut of Flex Magic Pixel OLED. This technology could allow AI to dynamically adjust pixel angles, creating privacy-focused viewing angles so you can scroll through your messages in a crowded cafe without the person next to you reading along. Imagine sunglasses for your phone screen, but way smarter, of course. While the display story is all about excitement, the camera leaks have been a bit of a buzzkill. Word is, Samsung plans to reuse the same 50-megapixel 5x telephoto sensor first seen on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And it could remain unchanged through the S27 Ultra as well. That's 3 years without a real telephoto upgrade, hardly the kind of innovation fans expect from a phone called Ultra, the main 200-megapixel sensor, also recycled from earlier models. For photographers and content creators, that's like buying the latest sports car only to find out it has the same engine as last year's. Sure, the design looks new, but under the hood, it's déjà vu. Speaking of design, fresh renders have given us a sneak peek at the Galaxy S26 lineup, and there are some bold changes. The Galaxy S26 Pro, rumored to replace the standard S26, looks familiar at first glance until you spot the raised camera block. It's a sharp shift away from the sleek, flush look of the S25, and it could divide opinions. Some will love the boldness, others will miss the minimalist approach. The Galaxy S26 Ultra takes the raised block concept and refines it, blending the fourth camera and laser autofocus seamlessly into the frame with rounded corners that feel modern yet consistent with Samsung's design DNA. And then there's the Galaxy S26 Edge, which might just steal the show. Leaks suggest its camera block could be massive, covering nearly a third of the back glass, which immediately sparks comparisons to Apple's design choices. Love it or hate it, Samsung clearly isn't afraid to shake things up. Under the hood, the Galaxy S26 series is expected to pack the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chip, promising even more power than its predecessor. But here's where things get controversial. Samsung may bring back Exynos chips for certain regions, just like it did with the Galaxy Z Flip 7, depending on where you live. That could mean a slightly different experience. And let's be honest, Exynos has always had a bit of a love-hate relationship with Galaxy fans. On the camera side, while the base Galaxy S26 may stick to its current setup with the addition of a new light-capturing sensor, whispers suggest the S26 Ultra could still push boundaries with a rumored 200-megapixel zoom camera capable of 5x magnification alongside a 50-megapixel telephoto lens. If true, that might balance out some of the frustration over Samsung recycling older sensors. So here's the big question. Will Samsung's jaw-dropping display upgrades and bold design changes be enough to distract fans from the lack of major camera innovation? Personally, I think Samsung is doubling down on the one area it knows best, display technology. And if the Flex Magic Pixel OLED really delivers on its promise, It could be the kind of feature that changes how we use our phones every day. But in a market where Apple continues to push camera innovation year after year, this could also be a risky gamble. What do you think? Would you trade groundbreaking camera upgrades for the most advanced display on a smartphone? Drop your thoughts in the comment side. Love to hear what you think. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, don't go anywhere. Check out the videos on screen right now for our deep dives into the iPhone 17 series and more. Galaxy S26 rumors. Trust me, you won't want to miss them.